I didn't record it all. We had a birthday party. It was great. You had fun? That's a thumbs up. Right now, we watching football. Me and Kyrie, cause this is what we do. And this is my dog. He said he looking at the TV. He don't care nothing about nothing else right now. He said, you finna mess up. You better finish this for a kickoff. But the birthday boy and mom are getting some dinner for us. They're out. And we had fun. He really enjoyed himself. He been asking for a birthday party since the beginning of the year. So it's up time. Whew. Long day. But it was like right after his second birthday, he really started to understand the concept of birthdays, and he's been wanting one of his own. And he was like, everybody keeps having their birthday. So he finally got his birthday, and he had a blast. We gave him his big toy. He got this Paw Patrol tower with all the characters. It has a car. It's a whole deal. He's having fun with it, so much fun with it. He's just playing with it the whole time. I haven't even put batteries in it yet. I just put it together for him. But there's a bunch of his other presents and stuff. So he had a good time, great time. And now we just watching some football next to the tree. This will be the end of this day's video. If you want to see more of what happened, that's going to be on the Happily Ever Henley channel. Because I mostly didn't record because they was using my phone to make TikTok videos. Apparently, they all want to dance, be dancers. And they kept listening to the same song. Not even the same song, the same 6 seconds of a song for like an hour. I should put that in here, because I know they'd be embarrassed. What you think? Do it? I'm going to think about it. I might do it. If I do it, it'll be right here. If I don't, that'll be the end of the video. Good night.